are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, bed liner, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, panic alarm, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.